Hello students, this is Nitin Bhod, and today through this video we are going to see the concept of basic meter moment, which is also called as d'Arsenal meter or PMMC, that is permanent magnet moving coil meter. As you all know, in electronics we require to do different measurements, and for which we require the measuring instruments. For example, the different parameters like current, voltage and resistances. These parameters can be measured with the help of ammeter, voltmeter and ohm meter respectively, and hence this instrument plays important role in electronics. Basic meter movement, as I have already told, also called as d'Arsenal meter or PMMC, that is permanent magnet moving coil meter, and is widely used in electronic instruments. So far the construction of d'Arsenal moment or basic meter moment is concerned. Here you can see the structure of the basic meter moment, where you can see a horseshoe type magnet, which is a permanent magnet shown here, and to it on both sides the pole pieces are attached. There is a coil which is wound on a light metal frame and which can move easily around the core. To this coil, the pointer is attached, which can move up the scale like this from 0 to maximum, and the coil moves like this because of the current flowing through the coil. Means basically it's a current driven circuit. So it consists of a permanent magnet, horseshoe magnet shape. So this is the shape of the horseshoe, and it's a permanent magnet with soft iron pole pieces attached to it on both sides like this. A soft iron core here is situated in between two pole pieces, this one, and this is the core. A coil of fine wire is wound on a metallic frame, that is light metallic frame. You can see here CD like structure. This is nothing but a light metallic frame upon which the coil is wounded, and because of which this coil can move around the soft iron core like this. So far the construction is concerned, the metal frame is mounted. This metal frame is mounted in a jewel bearing so as to rotate freely or easily. A light pointer is attached to the moving coil, which on passing of the current through the coil moves up the scale. Rotating coil prevent from continuous rotation like this or a circular rotation like this because of the spring provided, which is providing the restoring torque, or the torque because of which the coil can be brought to its original position. The principle of operation of this meter is like a motor, or works on the principle of motor. Principle of motor, as you know that it converts the electrical energy into the mechanical energy. In the same way, here the current flowing through the coil moves up the pointer. So that's why we are saying it works on the principle of motor and is a current responding device. Deflection of the pointer is directly proportional to the amount of current in the coil, and hence the scale is linear. With correct polarity, pointer reads up scale to the right, while incorrect polarity will always forces the pointer to move out of scale, which gives you the erroneous reading or faulty reading. Galvanometer is nothing but a d'Arsenal moment, and basically the galvanometer is the historic name given to the moving coil electric current detector. I hope the idea of d'Arsenal moment or basic meter moment or PMMC, that is permanent magnet moving coil meter, is clear to you, and the construction and the other parts which are explained in this video are clear to you. Thank you.